Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a seriously cool upgrade for the Asus ROG Ally, a 2230 to 2280 SSD adapter. If you're like me, the stock storage on the Ally just wasn't cutting it. Games are massive these days, and constantly juggling installs is a pain. This little board promises to unlock the potential for much larger and often faster NVMe storage. This adapter allows you to use a standard 2280 M.2 NVMe SSD in your ROG Ally, replacing the smaller 2230 drive. The adapter itself is a compact, black PCB with a clean layout. It features an M-key NGFF connector for the SSD and a gold finger connector to plug into the Ally's M.2 slot. It supports both PCIe 4.0 and 3.0, so you're covered whether you have a cutting-edge or slightly older NVMe drive. The 90-degree design is crucial. It cleverly reroutes the larger SSD to fit within the Ally's limited internal space. The installation process is relatively straightforward, but proceed with caution. Always disconnect the battery before working on any internal components. The original 2230 SSD is easy enough to remove and the adapter slots in its place. Then, you secure your chosen 2280 SSD to the adapter. The most challenging part is cable management and ensuring everything fits snugly back inside the Ally's case. Take your time and don't force anything. The immediate benefit is obvious: vastly increased storage capacity. You can jump from the stock drive to a 1 terabyte or even 2 terabytes NVMe SSD, giving you ample space for your entire game library and more. But it's not just about capacity. Many 2280 SSDs offer significantly faster read and write speeds compared to the smaller 2230 options. This translates to quicker game loading times, faster file transfers, and an overall snappier system. In testing, the difference was noticeable. Games loaded several seconds faster, and large file transfers were noticeably quicker. The ROG Ally felt more responsive overall. Of course, the exact performance gains will depend on the specific 2280 SSD you choose. There are a few potential downsides to consider. Firstly, installing this adapter will void your warranty, so keep that in mind. Secondly, the increased size of the 2280 SSD might lead to slightly higher temperatures inside the Ally. While I didn't experience any thermal throttling during my testing, it's something to monitor, especially during extended gaming sessions. Finally, while the installation is relatively simple, it does require some technical know-how and a steady hand. If you're not comfortable working with delicate electronics, it's best to seek professional assistance. Overall, this 2230 to 2280 SSD adapter is a fantastic upgrade for the Asus ROG Ally. It unlocks the potential for significantly more storage and faster performance, transforming the handheld into a true portable gaming powerhouse. If you're willing to take the risk and have the technical skills, it's definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.